Piny owacho ma pacho kaendi chano keto boma ma Kisumu kaachiel koda aluora mar nam Lolwe kaka kama inyalo nyaye dongruok kaachiel koda gamo joket mwandu mar kungo e gwenge gweko e nyim romo mar 9 mar Africity ma bende ichano bagi e kaunti ma Kisumu kabiro chopo higa mabiro. Kano chopo e seche mana iyawo chenro noero kama bende ichano tim e gedo mar conference center makamano e boma ma Kisumu, Gavana ma Kisumu migosi Anyang' wacho ni nyasi noero biro kelo dongruok mathoth e boma noero ma Kisumu. Korka kor jatend migao mochune sirikande mag gwenge pacho kaendi migosi Eugene Wamalwa wacho ni jot ma ichano ger e conference makamano e boma ma Kisumu biro bedo jot mar 2 maywayo welo e pacho kaendi bang' jot mar KICC. Romo mar Africity ibiro bagi chakre chieng' tarik 26 nyaka chieng' tarik 30 mar dwe mar 4 mar higa mabiro.
As has been stated, the government intends to use this summit with Kisumu and the Lake Region Economic on the international market as an investment destination and showcase the rich resources that abound in this region. And that is why we must look at this initiative not as a Kisumu County initiative, but an initiative that Lake Region Economic. Because the economic impact of Kisumu as it grows as a city will rebound in the whole economic bloc, if not Kenya as a whole, but also East Africa. Because Kisumu is the entrepot to other ports on Lake Victoria, which will have an impact on maritime transport, tourism, and conferencing in the region. The construction of this convention center will not only be a befitting legacy of the Africity Summit, the county and the Lake Region Economic Bloc as a whole, but will no doubt enhance immensely the county's capacity to attract international business, meetings, and business tourism, greatly increasing economic activity in the region. This has been the missing center port that gets Kisumu and the region on the cruise highway. And I want to remind you today that in the month of September this year, from September 26th to 30th, we are going to hold here in Kisumu an international investment conference, which is currently in high gear as a precursor to Africities. And in this conference, we are inviting the whole Lake Region Economic Bloc so that each county can showcase its investment potential, so that by the time we come to Africities, we are ready for greater things. Ladies and gentlemen, the choice of this site for the construction of the Africities Convention Center is as strategic as the name, and I want to immensely thank the leadership of the Cultural Society of Kenya for accepting to partner with us on this journey. Thank you very much, George. I am confident that this project will only change the face of this very fine land, which for a very long time was only utilized once a week every year for agricultural show, but will revolutionize the physical planning of the whole Mandoleo area and its environs.
So it is important to also know that we should have held this conference way back in April. Actually, it should have been in November last year. But because of the COVID-19 crisis that visited our country in March last year, we were forced to postpone this conference to April next year. That leaves us very little time to be able to deliver this. And I know there have been some doubting Thomases as to whether we can actually deliver this conference, whether we can complete this convention center. Today we are here with the contractor. I don't know if they are here with us. Please just stand up. We want to know who you are, because as we ground break today, we will be handing over this site to the contractor, Nyasi International Kenya, who will start work immediately because they have very limited time. We expect nothing less of you. We have seen what has been done in Nairobi, because there are contractors in Nairobi who have put up hospitals. Within 6 months, we were able to build almost 20 new hospitals in Nairobi as we speak. One is the Nairobi Hospital, which has a 100-bed capacity, put up within 6 months. So for those who are doubting whether this can be done in 8 months, your answer lies in Nairobi. Go and see what has been done there. and I'm very confident it can be done right here in Kisumu.